Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video, and this is with another little digital kit that I've made and also a freebie. So we'll start with the freebie, and this is just patchwork butterflies. How cool are they? So I will put a link to them below. They'll be in the freebie section and you get 15 of them. That's right, I'm just double checking that my maths is good. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. And you can blow them up a little bit more, you can shrink them, or you can print 2 to a page, whatever. Okay. And then I've made this little kit, and it's just a damask, like a grungy damask kit. I'm into the grungy at the moment, so that was probably one of the reasons why I made it. And I like pages personally that I can tear up and use as different things. So with this you will get 8 full pages. I've printed mine with a border. You can print it borderless. You just go into your settings on however you print yours. I've got a Mac, so I'm like, I don't even know, I just go on and tip print. If I want to print 2 to a page, I do have to put it into, I'll put it into Photoshop and do it that way. But anyway, if you've got Windows, you can just pick the 2 pages that you want. I think maybe that's to do with your printer. I'm not even going to get into it. I'm not that technically minded. Anyway, we'll get back to this. I'm not here to give techie instructions. That's 1 page. And we have this, like I said, it's damask. It's grungy. It's got a bit of vintage to it as well. And you have that one. And I love that. A little bit damask there in the background. And then we have 2 pages of pockets. Again, you can shrink them down a little bit. I've done them full scape. Well, as big as I could get them. And obviously, I've done mine with a border. So if you don't want a border, you can have it bigger. We won't get back into that again. Or you can shrink them down to fit the journal that you are making. And then there's 2 pages of tags, and there's another page back there. Didn't know that was there. So there's that one there as well. Okay, so if you're interested in this or the freebie, I will put a link below. You can go check that out. You can also check out any journals that I have for sale, because there is 25% off. I'll put that link below as well, because the 25% the 25% offer finishes the 8th of October, which is Wednesday, and I'm in the UK, so that will finish at midnight for me in the UK. So any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.